Good morning folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's safe, hope everybody's well. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make the cheapest possible, most effective weed killer you can buy. You will need the following materials. So first of all then, you'll need a bag of this stuff here. Look, this is rock salt. I bought it from Wickes, cost £6 a bag. They're always in stock. You will need the cheapest possible washing up liquid. So this will be used to bind everything together. You need a bucket to mix it up in, and you'll need a water supply. So we don't need to worry about exact proportions and all that stuff. Just start tipping it in your bucket. Okay, so we've got that half bag level. Put it down there. Add water. So it's a lovely day for it, the sun's shining, a little bit of wind out, but it's perfect to be outside, just knocking around. Okay, so we don't need to do anything else with that at the moment. We just need to leave that overnight. And then we come back to it in the morning. Or on another day. You can leave for as long as you want, it's no biggie. Okay. Right folks, so it's been well over a week then since I mixed this stuff up, so now we need to go to the second part of the process, and that's simply to chuck a load of washing up liquid in there. Okay, so the washing up liquid then, it doesn't need to be a particular brand name, it just needs to be the cheapest stuff you can get your hands on, and the reason for the washing up liquid, or it could be shampoo, it could be whatever you want, it needs to be something which is going to bind everything together, and not only will it bind the all of the components in the liquid, it'll also bind it to whatever you pour it onto. So for example, weeds, thistles, or whatever it is that you're trying to get shot of. So it's been sitting here for well over a week. It's going to be a very, very strong solution indeed, and this, you know, will start working within a day. Anyway, I'm just going to turn the camera around. You need to give it a good old dollop. And give it a good old mix. And I must say it does smell rather nice. And it's the cheapest chips to make up as well. So when you get to the dregs at the bottom then, you can either scoop them out and scatter them on your garden, or alternatively you can just top it up and start all over again. So it's had a good stir then, and I've mixed it up as you would a fine soup. Next thing is, let's stick it on the garden. And this will kill everything in its wake.